Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 connections error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type control panel, and after that once you're here all you have to do click network and internet, and then click network and sharing center, and after that once you're here click this one connections, click on internet or Wi-Fi, and then click properties and click internet protocol internet version 4, double click on it, and then just copy my settings. You will find it like that. Just select used following DNS server and copy those numbers, and then click OK and OK again, and after that type here background apps and turn off the first option here, and then type Windows update settings, and then once you're here make sure to turn off all those make sure to install all the updates that you can find here. Click check for updates, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.